Hi friends, welcome back to Chenna Tech Point. In this session, we are going to see how to create EC2 instance and connect EC2 instance using PuTTY. Go to AWS console, type EC2, select the EC2 service, scroll down, click on launch instance. Here we need to provide the instance name, my instance. Here I am selecting Amazon Linux 2 AMI version. This is a free tier eligible. I am selecting first one. Click on select. Instance type is T2 micro. For connecting EC2 instance, we need one key pair. Click on create new pair. Here we need to provide the key pair name. Key pair name is my instance. I am selecting .ppk file. Click on create pair. Download the ppk file. No need to change any values, leave it as a default. Click on launch instance. Click on view all instances. It will take some time to launch the instance. We need to wait some time. Now instance is ready. Connecting this EC2 instance using PuTTY. Open this instance. Click on connect. Select the SSH client. Here these are the details to connect the EC2 instance. Open PuTTY. Go to instance. Copy this IPv4 address. In hostname we need to provide the IP address. Click on data. Here we need to provide a login username. Login username is EC2-user. Open PuTTY again. Paste the username. Select the SSH. Click on auth. Click on credentials. Here we need to select the ppk file. Click on open. Click on accept. Here you can see now we connect the EC2 instance with the help of PuTTY. In this way we can connect EC2 instance using PuTTY. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.